It's Christmas in July! Let's talk Christmas crochet patterns. Today, Snowman. I'm for big crochet. Welcome back to my channel. Today, more Christmas in July, and we're going to talk about Snowman. You may have guessed that already. And please notice that all these patterns are free. Let's get started. Wow, this cute little snowman bauble is adorable. I love the little hat and the little holly detail on there. Very cute. Now this is another hanging snowman. I love the striped scarf. Try to say that 10 times fast. The little carrot nose. It's absolutely cute. Now, this is a jolly little fella. I like his little mouth, and this hat is adorable. And he has a nice big knitted, woolen scarf. Absolutely adorable. I love this one too. I like the little poinsettia detail on there. The nose is flat. It's a flat laid little carrot, but it's very effective. I like the little beads for the eyes and the buttons. A door hanger, I should say. It's not a great quality photo, but you get the idea. This one is ready to jingle with his jingle bells here and here. Every time you open the door, he's sort of a door greeting snowman. Now this is more of the classic, the snowman with a big felt hat, a little pipe, beautiful felt scarf, and a sort of a Christmas bouquet almost with pineapples and all sorts. Again, the details really make this snowman come alive. I love the different colored buttons on it, and he has such a friendly expression for some reason without the mouth. He has a very friendly expression. Now this one is ready for some fun. It's a little roly-poly. This is a little roly-poly snowman. Very cute. Aww. Aww. It's almost like a pom-pom snowman, but if you use fluffy yarn, you get the same effect. It's just adorable. Now this one's fun too. This is a snowman with, it's almost like a snow elf with this beautiful big stripy hat. Great as an ornament in your tree, also great as a decoration in your room. Now this one is all ready for orange Christmas. I love the bright orange use of color, but this is beautiful. I love the details of the crochet hat. It's very, very nice. This one's cute too. Big scarf, big buttons, cute little hat. And this backward crochet is a nice finishing touch for its hat. Oh, this pair is ready to party. I adore these eyes. I love the massive pompons on their hats. This one is a little bit more colorful. You can make them as colorful as you want. Choose the detail colors of the hat and scarf and mittens and feet in your favorite colors, but they look fantastic. It's a very, very cute. Now this one, I have created this one as earrings, so I made them very, very small. It's, as you can tell, it's not a big size anyway, but if you use a very thin yarn, you can make them very small. And I created those as earrings. I will link to those later in a later video. It's coming up. So subscribe not to miss that. I love the little hand, the little arms. How cute are those? Adorable. Now, very simple, works up quickly, very effective, and very snowman-y, Christmassy. Very nice. These are, I love the base of these ones. That makes them stand up easily. It's almost like they're melting on the bottom, or they have a little skirt or whatever. I love the pipe cleaner arms and hands. Very, very nice. This is an applique. You can use that on your Christmas cards or in Christmas scrapbooking, or to put it on anything you want to winter or Christmas up. Very nice. Look at this little family. The photo does not do them justice, but the idea is there. I love the simplicity of this design with the hands and arms just sewn onto it. And how cute is this little baby snowman? Adorable. We had this one already. But now there's another version of it with a big top hat with gorgeous little detail decorations. Also very cute. Now this snowman wreath on your door will make you will get you in the Christmas spirit in no time. It's very simple but very effective. Lots of balls to crochet, lots of white balls to crochet, but it's absolutely adorable. And this is actually the same snowman that we saw before. You can use that as a separate ornament, or you can use it in this gorgeous wreath setting. Small one again, cute little hat, cute little nose. There's so much goodness out there when it comes to snowman. Now this one's adorable. It has a little friend that's also included in the free, yeah, all the simple free patterns. I love the little details on the scarf. It just makes it look a little bit nicer, all those little details. This snowman is crocheting its own little scarf from a cute little red heart skein of yarn. It's absolutely adorable. I love this idea. Now this one has branches for arms, and it looks like he's having a very good time, this snowman. And Olaf, of course, has to be included in this list. This is a free pattern. It's one of the best Olaf patterns that I found out there. I created this for my niece. I hope to make a different video about this in a very massive size. It's a great pattern. And this shy little snowman is absolutely adorable. I love his ear flap hat and matching scarf. And I love the fact that it has a massive hat but a very small face. It's so cute. And these little cheeks are absolutely adorable. I will see you tomorrow, hopefully, for even more Christmas in July.